Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. What I have here is chicken nuggets that I made, but to kind of stretch it, I went ahead and cut them into pieces, and I put mayonnaise and some ketchup on it, and I just chopped up the nuggets. So this right here is actually 3 nuggets, and I chopped it up, and you see it's all over the sandwich. And then I have some 1/4 of an orange here. No, actually it's not 1/4. It was a small orange. So this is half an orange, ketchup, and then I have some tater tots. So this is just a quick lunch. So these are just some ideas. And with all that's going on, let's keep all in prayer and know that God's taking care of all of us and it's going to work out. And let's just keep all in prayer. So these are just some quick lunch ideas. Remember, you can add more or less. These are just ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.